Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to check total watch time on YouTube channel. First thing first, go to YouTube Studio and log in with your account. On the left side panel, click Analytics. Now in the top right corner, click the Date Range menu. Select the period you want to analyze. To see the total watch time since you started your channel, choose Lifetime. You can also select last 28 days, last 90 days, or any custom range. Just tap the watch time or hours tab within the Analytics dashboard and this will display the total watch time in hours for the period you selected. Just a tip, you can always see watch time per video or per audience segment to understand which content keeps viewers engaged the longest. This is great for planning future videos. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.